Hello everyone, welcome to another video from windowslovers.com. This is me, your host Prajwal, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recall or unsend an email on Gmail. So let's get started. So I know we've all been there where we've sent an email which we didn't properly proofread or which was actually intended for someone else, and we always wish there was a way to recall that or cancel that email. Well, there is a function on Gmail. It's much more effective on Outlook from my personal experience, but on Gmail as well there is a way where you can recall or you can unsend an email after you've sent. Okay, first thing is, by default you have 5 seconds before an email is sent out. So for example, if I send out an email to myself, let me just go click on compose and send an email to my personal email address. Just gonna type test and test. So what happens is, by default, when you send, after you've sent, you have 5 seconds before you can unsend or recall this email. So if I go and send it, on the bottom left corner it says sending, there's an undo button and there's a view message. So now as you can see, the undo option has disappeared. So you have 5 seconds by default. So now that message is gone, that email is gone, and there's no way you can recall or unsend that message or replace that message like we have in Outlook. So if you are looking to recall or unsend an email that you sent an hour ago, day before yesterday, anything more than 5 seconds, there's no way to recall that. Okay, the only thing you can change is, in the future, if you send out an email, you can increase the time frame where you can actually unsend it. It's not much, it's 30 seconds, but still it's better than 5 seconds. For example, if you send out any email with a typo, or if you send it out to the wrong person, then you can just go ahead and unsend it within 30 seconds before that email is actually sent out. Okay, so what you want to do is go to settings. That's on the top right corner, and click on see all settings. Now undo send, there's a send cancellation period. By default it's set to 5 seconds. So what you want to do is click on that and set it to 30 seconds. Scroll towards the bottom and click on save changes. So now what happens is, every time you send out an email, you have 30 seconds time frame, or the window where you can go and undo that message. So for example, if I send an email now to myself, my personal email address. So what happens is, see, the thing is, the Outlook's recall feature or the Outlook's replacement feature is really good. It works pretty good on Office 365 or even on other version of Office, as long as there's no other changes on your account. So as you can see, there is an undo option and it will stay there for 30 seconds. And what we can do is click on undo. When you do undo, what happens is it undoes the email, and then you will get back the email that you just sent, and you can make any necessary changes, and then you can send it out again. Now, I hope that was helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful. Subscribe for more videos, and if you have any issues, please leave in the comments. Unfortunately, this tutorial doesn't help you recall emails like Outlook does, and you only have a 30-second time frame after changing the settings and 5 seconds before you change the settings. So, but still, I hope in the future you will be able to recall any emails that you've sent out by mistake or that has any typo and stuff like that. So I hope you have a nice day, and subscribe for more. Thank you.